Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need admin access to make system changes, so sign in now. Once signed in, open Settings quickly with Win+I or click Start and choose Settings. This places you at the control center. From here, go to Apps to check optional features and to Privacy and Security to find search-related toggles. Make sure Windows is up to date so options match these steps. Now that Settings is open, you're ready to target the search interface and system integrations that show results. Begin by disabling search highlights and cloud content under Privacy and Security. This removes online suggestions. Next, in Apps Optional Features, find and uninstall any search helper entries or third-party search utilities. That cuts local UI clutter. If you need to remove Bing integration, use Group Policy, gpedit, MSC, or the registry to set search and Cortana policies to disabled. Be cautious and export keys first. Once done, restart Explorer or sign out to let UI changes apply. Finalize by restarting Windows Explorer from Task Manager or rebooting the PC to ensure search components unload and changes take effect. If something breaks, immediately restore the registry backup you exported earlier, or use System Restore to revert to a known good point. This prevents persistent issues. Make sure to check Windows Update, install fixes, or roll back a problematic feature update if search disappeared unexpectedly. If you still see search, repeat the policy or registry steps and verify you have admin privileges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.